Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to reveal to you a brand new KDP low content keyword. I'm going to verify the search volume, the BSR, all that good stuff. I'm also going to show you where I got this information, where I got this resource, and I'm going to show you how you can get the interior for the keyword that I'm going to review for you today. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. I'll have timestamps down below. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I'll be sure to help you out. Okay, let's get started. So the keyword I'll be targeting today, and I highly urge you to watch this video until the very end. I'm giving up the resource here. I'm going to show you how to get the exact template for this so you can create your own interiors for this keyword. And I'm going to verify everything I show you in this little video. Okay, so make sure you watch it until the end. Okay, so the keyword here is beer review logbook. Okay, let me blow that up for you. Okay, and as you can see, according to this report, by the way, this report is by Easy Pub Profits. Okay, let me shrink it down. Easy Pub Profits. This is the report for June. They send out a report every single month with done for you analytics on all the low competition keywords, holiday keywords, and event keywords that you can create books for. On top of that, for every type of niche that they talk about in the report, they actually create done for you interiors that you can actually edit and use for yourself commercially and sell them online. Okay, I'll talk more about that later, but right now I want to go over this keyword here. I want to verify it. Beer review logbook, again, result count of over 2,000. It has exact match. It's the BSR bestsellers rank is over 1 million, and it has a search volume of over 400 searches a month. If I go to Book Bolt, this is a keyword tool I use as well. Beer review logbook gets like they say 422 searches. Okay, so that's correct. Okay, if I go to Crispy Prints here and I scroll down to the interest score level or the trending level, it has a score of 19. And this isn't huge, but it does show that there's interest in this long tail keyword. And if I go to Amazon and I go to books and I put in beer review logbook, you can see that just like the report says, there's a 2,000 result count. Okay. Oh, I hope you're liking this video. If you want more videos like this, more tutorials, guides, and reviews, all about earning online with affiliate marketing, KDP, and printables, then make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, because I show you how to earn in a very unique way online, not very traditional. Okay, affiliate marketing is not the only way to earn online. Now, this report is actually 72 pages long, filled with low competition keywords that you can actually target. But like I was saying, Easy Pub Profits also provides the done for you interiors that you can download and upload them to different editors. There's several different editors you can use. I use PowerPoint because they have the free version. I'm using the free version right now, and I've actually edited this page already. But I'm going to show you how to do it real quick. Okay, so actually there's different forms here. If I go to this one here, this is a beer brewing journal you can edit. There's a beer brewing like chart you can actually edit. But I want to go to this beer review logbook that I actually created. Okay, I simplified it a ton. Okay, and I'm going to just repeat this page about 30 or 40 times to get my book. Okay, that's all I'm doing, repeating this page. I'm going to blow it up for you. Okay, let me increase the size so that you can see the specifics here. Okay, so you can see here, I have beer name, I have beer style, brewer, and these are things I actually wrote in, right? So if I click in here, you can see that I can actually change the text inside the actual interior. I can also increase the size, shrink it down to this size, make it bigger, smaller, whatever I want, basically, right? Let me shrink it for you. See, like that, like that. I can do anything I want with it. And I can also change the title if I want. Beer review logbook, I can change it to beer review journal. Let me change it to journal. But I want to be precise with my keywords, so I'm going to keep it a logbook. Again, PowerPoint, I'm using just the free version here. I'm going to download just this page and repeat this page a number of times to actually create a very short but to the point beer review logbook that I can actually sell on the Amazon KDP network. I have resources down below. Also, I'm going to have links to Easy Pub Profits and other tools that help you do the same thing. Now, in my opinion, earning online with the KDP network is one of the easiest ways because there's very little you have to do. Everything is basically taken care of by Amazon. They provide the platform, so you don't need a website. They provide the traffic because people are always searching on Amazon, and it's a buyer's market, right? People aren't going to Amazon KDP to research. They're going there to buy something or to learn about something that they're going to buy in the near future. So this Easy Pub Profits, very powerful resource. Again, every month they give you a really specific report giving you all the analytics on the different keywords that they found, and like I verified in this video, a lot of it seems to be true, and they give you done for you templates that you can actually under this screen here, there are other templates and logbooks and journals that they've given me that I can actually go to PowerPoint with and edit myself. Now I hope you like and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. I have also a lot of tutorials out there that I've created around affiliate marketing, selling printables, and Amazon KDP books. So make sure you check those out as well. Again, if you're interested in Easy Pub Profits, check the information out below and have a wonderful day. Okay, be good. Take care. Bye-bye.